Alright, I'm going to shoot this quick video so y'all can understand how to contact support and get your questions answered. So you go here to the smiley face over here. It's the support button. You go here. Let me close that, open that back up. Let me see. These are my old. So I'm going to send them a message. You may have to scroll down. Let me see. Okay, so usually it'll show like this. It'll say send a message or you can book a support call. So if you want to just send them a message, you go here and you can send them a quick message. I need to book a support call. So I want to do a video conference with them. This is usually the best way to get in. You get 15 minutes with them. So you schedule a support call. You pick the day. The first day available is the 18th. So that's Friday the 18th. Today is the 9th, so it's best to go ahead and book these when you think about it, because you see it's a wait. It's like really longer than it should be, over a week to get a video conference with somebody. I'm going to go ahead and schedule it. Well, I only got 2 times. I'm going to schedule it for 2:30. Confirm. Enter details. I'm not going to do none of that right now. I'm just going to schedule the event. I can't be blank. I say something like emails. Coach. Schedule the event. I pick up my phone. I'm going in here and put this right in my calendar right now. Since it's over a week away, I won't forget. So this is probably a good thing to do, is just get an appointment scheduled with support. Because as you can see, it'll be a week away, and by that time, usually, if you don't have nothing today, you usually have something come up within a week. So I got support. I'm putting this in my phone now. Now site support at 2:30. That way I get a reminder. And this is something that's really beneficial, is to put stuff in your phone, because people get busy and forget. So I got a reminder. It'll remind me, hey, you got to call in 15 minutes with support, and I'll jump on there. Even if I'm out and about, I can jump on with my phone. Another good thing is over here. So I'm going to close this out. Hit this button down here at the bottom. You can close the support out. Now when you go over here to the left, support, you want to go and I click on it, did nothing happen. Okay. So we got some technical issues going on, but see if we can work through it. What I want to show you is how you can go ahead and watch all of the videos that they have on the site. Get started video. So when you click the support over on this side, it usually will bring up a list of videos that you can watch, walkthroughs. For some reason, oh, here they go right here. So these are all the walkthroughs, and when you go through these walkthroughs, you hit the get started, view walkthrough. It shows you how to connect your email. That's one of the things, and you click on it. That's one of the first things that you're gonna want to do, is to connect your email. So you hit let's go. It's gonna show you, go up here, click on your profile up here. It's running a little slow today. When you click on your profile, it's gonna say add an email, and you add your email, and you gotta log in, connect it, then allow Now site to post videos to post emails from your account. So that's what you want to do. For some reason, the system is running a little slow today. This happens sometimes. So here we go. So yeah, so you come here, you go to account info. And save. Everything looks good here, so I'm saving. I don't see emails Where's the emails at? Yeah, I don't see it. Okay. So this is not working out the way I planned, but this is my, connections is where I want to go, I believe. It's connections, right? Yeah. Connections. And then you hit add new. And you put your email in here. And you hit connect, and then they'll ask you to, put your password in and all that. That's the first thing you're going to want to do is connect your email. So get that done. Go through all the walkthroughs. Is what I was trying to show you. And that'll help you, that'll answer a lot of questions. Go through those first and learn how to connect your emails and all that good stuff. So we see where we at. We go over here on the support button here, and go through all these walkthroughs. So I'm gonna keep this short and just get that done. Go through all the walkthroughs first. Connect your email. It's gonna be one of the first things that you're gonna want to do.